Welcome to Kit Kat Kids K3.
A is for apple, A, apple, crunchy and sweet, an apple a day. B is for butterfly, B, butterfly, fluttering by, a butterfly so bright. C is for cow, cow, mooing in the field, a cow with spots. D is for diamond, D, diamond, sparkling and shiny, a diamond's delight. E is for elephant, A, elephant, big and gray, an elephant sways. F is for fish, fish, swimming in the sea, a fish goes swish. G is for giraffe, giraffe, tall and spotted, a giraffe stands tall. H is for hat, hat, wear it on your head, a hat so neat. I is for igloo, igloo, cold and round, an igloo is found. J is for jelly, jelly, wobbly and sweet, jelly to eat. K is for kite, kite, flying high, a kite in the sky. O is for lollipop, lollipop, colorful and sweet, a lollipop treat. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees, a monkey plays. N is for nest, home for birds, a nest to rest. O is for octopus, octopus, 8 long arms, an octopus swims. P is for penguin, penguin, waddling on ice, a penguin slides. Q is for queen, queen, royal and grand, a queen commands. R is for rainbow, rainbow, colors in the sky, a rainbow shines. S is for sun, sun, bright and warm, the sun brings fun. T is for train, train, choo-choo goes the train, down the track. U is for umbrella, umbrella, keeps you dry, an umbrella so high. V is for violin, umbrella, keeps you dry, an umbrella so high. V is for violin, violin, play a tune, a violin song. W is for whale, big and blue, a whale in the sea. X is for xylophone, xylophone, play a tune, xylophone's fun. Y is for yacht, yacht, sailing away, a yacht on the bay. Z is for zebra, zebra, striped and bold, a zebra stands tall.